are the 2 teas I've been drinking since the first of the year. Detox. This is the one I've been drinking, but yesterday I had got the organic everyday detox. So I start my morning with this before I work out, or I might have a cup of it when I do work, like after I work out. It's 8 o'clock and I think my son heard me. Grumpy man! So my son is a grumpy morning person. Get him started on some bananas. After my son eats his breakfast, he gets a bottle. I've been starting yesterday. I've been mixing his milk with whole milk now. He'll be 1 next month. So I'm trying to get him to like whole milk. And yesterday was my first time doing it, and he likes it. He didn't even notice the difference. So we still give him 6 ounces to 8 ounces. But he eats more food now, so 6 ounces, 5 bottles a day, on top of his food 3 times a day. So yeah, he eats a lot. So I'm done self-caring myself. So now it's my son's turn. So I usually don't give him baths no more like that, because I noticed once I gave him a bath a few times, his skin just is real dry, like alligator skin. So now I just sponge him down in the morning, every morning, and he's good to go. And I get dressed. So now that I'm dressed, and I still got my waist trainer on. So I waist train during the day as well, and I'm still fasting. So it's about 10:50, last time I checked, in the morning. So I'm still waiting on my waist trainer to come in the mail. So after I take care of him and get him dressed and ready for the day, I will grab me something to eat. It'll be my first breakfast snack or whatnot. The only thing I drunk was that detox tea, which it kind of curbs my appetite. So I fast until 11:30, maybe 12. So I bought these a few weeks ago. Now that I'm looking at it, 2 bars is 200 calories, 1 bar is 100 calories. So yeah, I think I will just have 1 bar. My son's grandma bought him some Plum's organic morning bars, and I repurchased them because he loved them so much. This is what he's gonna have, as I have my nature belly bar. I'll give him one of these and break it up into little pieces for him, so he can nibble on this. Okay, so it's about 2:30. I'm meal prepping, as you can see, getting ready for my husband to come home. He'll be here in about an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm trying to get dinner ready. He just went to sleep. So usually on this time, this is my me time. So he'll probably be asleep for about 2 hours, maybe. And yeah, this is when I actually do my reviews, my hair reviews, my makeup tutorials, or whatnot, or anything I have to do, because it's quiet and you don't hear all that noise in the background, because that's when I do it. So it's like working around his schedule. So yeah, right now I'm just relaxing and, you know, just prepping dinner and cooking dinner. I'm about to watch a little movie and just relax. I did a lot of videos that's about to come up. Yeah, be looking out for them videos. But other than that, yeah. Steak. So I just took the steaks out. So the steaks probably been in there for about less than an hour. My husband likes his well done, which I like mine medium well, so I just left them in. This is my baby's plate when he wakes up. So I took one of the chickens out the crock pot and cut it up for him. Yeah, this is fresh baked chicken, and I made me a salad. So yeah, we're gonna have that as well with our meal. So yeah, everything is fresh.